Look guys, I have four bikinis here, four undies guys, and I wanna fit this. Now let's go. Look guys, I have three bikinis here. Ang gaganda niya guys. Ayan, I'm going to fit this now. So let's go guys. Ayun, ipipit ko na siya guys. I really love it. Pack na pack to siya. And 1, 2, 3, let's go. Charan! Look
Wow.
guys, flexing my new bikinis and my stockings guys. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga nito guys. Ang lakas makaganda nito guys. Ang lakas makakabog nito. Ayan guys, I really love it. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ba yan guys? Ayan, talaga namang pack na pack yan.
Wow!
Ayan po, feeling model na naman ako guys. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating stockings. Ayan, bikini stockings guys. Ayan oh. I really love it. Pack na pack. Look guys, ito naman yung kanyang red color. Ayan, ay siya maroon color siya guys. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga nito. Ang lakas makaganda nito guys. Pack na pack naman talaga to. Ayan oh, I really love it.
Wow!
Ayan, feeling model na naman ako guys. Ang ganda. Ayan po, na-amaze talaga ako guys. Ayan oh, sobrang ganda niya. Ayan, pack na pack yan. Ayan guys, oh, I really love it. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang guys. Ayan, may fashion na naman ako. Ayan oh, pack na pack yan. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan oh, ayan, feeling model na naman ako guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. Pack na pack yan. I really love it. O diba guys, ang ganda niya. Love it. Guys,
Wow.
ang ganda. Ayan, pack na pack yan guys.
Wow!
I really love it. Ayan po, ito po yung gagamitin ko. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Pack na pack. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, yung ating blazer na napakaganda. Alam niyo ba kung magkano lang to siya guys? 50 pesos. I really love it. Ayan, 50 pesos lang siya guys. Ang ganda. Ayan pala yung ganda siya. Pack na pack. I really love it. Tuwa-tuwa naman talaga ako guys. Sa halagang 50 pesos, may pangrampa na naman ako guys. Ang ganda. Yung ating blazer na napakaganda guys. Ayan. I really love it. Lakas makaganda guys. Ayan, tuwa talaga ako guys. Kasi 50 pesos. Ayan, bagong-bago pa siya guys.
Oh my God!
Ayan po. Pack. I really love it.